So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is VitoriVita and you're watching VitoriVita TV. Okay, so this is officially the first video where I shot it from a G5x and I'm just testing it out, making sure that everything is working. The video is doing good, the audio is also good, and just to make sure that I'm actually on the right track, and then maybe if it doesn't work, then I can probably return it to London Drugs. Okay, so I'm definitely loving this camera. I've been putting off on buying a new camera just because I thought it was not necessary to get a new one. I still have my phone, but I've noticed that because I'm using my phone as well as vlogging, then I'm actually like not being able to take pictures while I'm vlogging because of course like the phone is busy and I can't vlog at the same time. So I like the idea that I get to vlog. Oh my gosh, I'm really this low. I like the idea that I get to vlog and use my phone at the same time because as we all know, most of our days are spent on our phone. And I hope my oven warms up soon because I'm hungry. So I do have some leftover chorizo from my Aunt Lisa. I ordered this over the weekend. I want to put the chorizo on top of the pizza so we can make like a Chorizo Pizza. Chorizo Pizza a la VitoriVita. I think that would be nice, right? Alexa, set timer to 15 minutes.
Second timer, 15 minutes, starting now.
So while waiting for our pizza, then maybe we can chill. And I have a lot of Ferrero Rochers in here. Maybe I should start cleaning up my counter because it's so messy. Whew. Life happens, and sometimes all I want to do is like eat Ferreros because they make me happy and chill. That's so good. I was just wondering like how long will it continue to record, because right now this has been recording for like 9 minutes and 45 seconds. So I wonder like until what time is it able to like continue recording without having to pause. The tendency though is like I would look at myself in the screen instead of looking at the camera, which is not a good thing because I need to look at the camera. So yesterday, me and my besh went to Malinche. So I'm having chimichanga, and then Besh is having tacos, and then I think your tacos has more of like, and then no, you ordered, instead of having the third taco, you had some soup. Ayan. The pozole. This is what she was excited about. I remember making a video of Malinche before when I did a promotion for them, and I'll put that in the description or in the link below. And then we also checked out this dessert place, cafe, somewhere near Costco in Regina, and I don't exactly know where the location is, but the name of the place is Cacao 70, and I ordered bacon crepe. It was so good. It came with a salad and it was so delicious. And then Besh had Nutella and banana crepe. That was also very good. I had so much fun yesterday that I also spent so much. Straight shooting for this camera is around like 16 minutes. Because sometimes when you're doing videos, you don't want to get interrupted and You know, you don't want to keep on talking and the next thing you know, like the camera is not actually recording, and that would be like the worst thing that could ever happen because you're like in the middle of something and you get cut off. Anyway, we'll go to Kumu. We'll say hi to everybody. Kumu, that's this app. Who's streaming right now? Mommy is streaming. So let's get into Mommy's stream. Oh.
Hi, Tita V.
Hi fam, hello. I'm vlogging right now, testing my new camera. So I want you all to say hi.
Hi. Oh my god. Hi.
Alexa, stop. I like that I can actually see the city from here. Let's try to zoom it in. Let's zoom in the city. There. Oh my. What a cool feature. Yes, you can. Oh, wow. That's amazing. That is amazing. I'm actually impressed. We can spy on people now. By the way, guys, I like my pizza crispy. And because this is going to be my first meal of the day, I'm gonna have my Smirnoff Ice green apple. So actually on my days off, I feel like it's more my days off when I actually get to drink from a wine glass. Oh, that looks really good. And I'm pretty excited to eat my pizza. This is really good. Isn't it weird? I'm drinking something green. The question is it going to make me more green-minded? Okay, my jokes are not good. I don't think I'll get drunk with just one can. Yeah, I think it can still function. I want to edit this video as soon as I can because I'm sure I'm gonna be busy in the coming days. Oh, okay, so I have 709 subscribers. If you're actually here and you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please feel free to subscribe. It's for free. Anyway, I would like to give a shout out to some of our friends who made comments in the previous video. I would like to give a shout out to Karen Estrada, Christine Omami, Evalor Veloso, and V Basil. Thank you for dropping comments on the last video. If you want to get a shout out on my next video, please make sure to comment on this video. Maybe I should do that because I haven't been really doing that. I mean, I've been vlogging for a long time, but I haven't done that. Anyway, I'm gonna say goodbye. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for being here and thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social media channels. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. Just look for VitoriVita. Keep on watching VitoriVita TV because when it's fun, it's VitoriVita.